घूमते हुए टहलते हुए
है ना? इधर भी ऐसे करना है।
आप कुछ बोलिए।
Hello my dear friends, as you know today is the 16th December 2024 and by the grace of God we are here in Soman Sarkar. You can say this is the artificial lake has been made by our learned saint here and all the people from
उधर
all
चलिए,
over the Uttar
धूप में आप सभी लोग
people
आइए।
they are coming to visit this place and this place is called as a Shobhan Sarkar. Here it is in Kanpur Dehat, Uttar Pradesh, India, and it is well famous place here in India. And especially here we have the temple, that is Hanuman temple and Sesavatar temple and other Lord Shiva temple and all other temples we are having here. And around 1 lakh people they can visit here at one time. This lake has been made and this water is supplied through the river. That is river is named Pandu River, which is just adjacent to this lake, and this lake is so big and that we can't imagine how much pain the saint who has made this lake has taken. This lake has been dug and this artificial lake has been made, and the mud which is dug out from this lake has been put here in temple, and with all green sceneries which you are seeing, it is all available here, and that boundaries also is made. That boundary and inside the lake there is one temple. You can see that temple. That temple is there. Here we have the 12th class school also, which is recognized by the Uttar Pradesh Education Board. This all which green sceneries you are seeing, it is all maintained by the trust here. That Soban Sarkar trust is there, and people from all around this area like Bairi village, Suklanpurwa, this all has been devoted to this lake, and they are all have their contribution in the form of money, in the form of this land which is donated to this temple, and sometimes this uh, this is the agricultural land which has been donated by the resident of this area. And really asset, if you say the real asset of this area is this Soban Sarkar, and this is the spiritual temple is made here. That is one Hanuman temple, the power of that is the God of power, who is the real um, God here in India. We all worship to Lord Rama, to Lord Krishna, and to Lord Hanuman temple is made here. And we all the resident of this local area, every now and then they are visiting here and enjoying this beautiful place, beautiful lakes and beautiful temple. If someone wants to do all cultural program, they are also are invited. They can do their marriages here. They can do the spiritual things like Bhagavad Katha, this all Satyanarayana Katha, this all you can do it here. And this the where we are standing, this is the that you can see bridge is made. This is especially bridge is made through this iron plates are put here, and all around you are seeing it's all is made through our trust only, and people they are visiting, and they are also offered that meal also every now and then, that they are collective meal is prepared by all the cooks, and they are distributing as a prasadam to everybody. Whoever wants to visit this area from India or from any foreign countries, they are most welcome to visit this lake. And this water is supplied through our Pandu river, which is just nearby 2-3 kilometers away from the lake. And the trust has made so many arrangements to bring the water from the river, and then you can, I cannot show you, but somewhere the forest place you can see the water continuously is coming from the river as well as from the ground water level also. This lake is filled with the water, and the birds you are seeing on the lake, they are also enjoying the nature of this area. And this is the real asset, and this is the real thing which has been created and maintained by the